Rainy day. Man, it's been raining here a lot. Today, I'm gonna go pick up a 4-row field cultivator. I could probably just take my flatbed trailer over and get it. The farmer that I bought it from could load it for me. But when I get it home, then the loader's off my 30-20. It's just gonna take too long to put the loader back on a 30-20. So we're gonna do about a 5-mile drive and pick it up that way. I think I better grab a raincoat.
Your hands ache like everything else. You bust your back to try to prove yourself. It's the only thing that'll keep you satisfied. It's been handed right down to you. It's in your blood and it's what you do. It's not just a living, it's the way of life. Oh, unless you've been there, man, you don't know why. I said that's the way it is when you run a little cold. It's a push, a pull, and a run. Job ain't never done. Cut it loose and let it roll. That's how you spend your life in an old coal mine. You gotta jerk up when you're down below. Oh, unless you've been there, man, you just don't know. I said that's the way it is. That's the way it is when you run in cold.
So we made it. We're hooked up, ready to turn around and head back home. Everybody wants a rotary hoe. He's got that for sale. Well, we made it home safe and sound. No rain. Didn't need that raincoat. Nice little drive down the back roads of the county that we live in. Just about a five-mile trip to get there. Glad to have this cultivator home. Got a few things that I want to do to it. I want to put on new sweeps and shovels. I want to adjust it down to 30-inch rows. Two of the gauge wheels are junk. Luckily it came with extra parts, and in those parts were two real nice gauge wheels, so I've already put those on. And I've pulled off the shovels. I'm going to put new shovels on now. $112. I didn't think that was too bad for all the parts that I needed as far as cultivator shovels and sweeps. As you can see by the marks on the toolbar, I've moved everything from 38 inches down to 30 inches. The new duck foot and sweep shovels are on. And I have removed the rolling shields. I don't think I'll be using those. If I ever need to, well, I've got them. So that should be it. It's all ready to go. And I thank you very much for watching.